Welcome back. In this topic, we are going to see funding of POSB accounts. That is nothing but accepting deposit in a POSB account. The menu is CTM. Log on to Finacle with operator credentials. Enter CTM in the menu shortcut and click Go. Click OK and choose Add from the function. Choose Add from the function. In function type, you can choose deposit. Please note, CTM is the only menu through which we are going to accept deposit and also make withdrawal from POSB account. So utmost care should be taken in choosing the option. Here I am going to accept deposit, so I am clicking on deposit from the drop down. Click Go. Enter the account number in account ID field. After entering the account number, press tab. The name of the customer will get populated. Please cross check with the pay slip. Enter the amount. Also see the SOL ID. Why? Because if the account belongs to your SOL ID, you can accept any amount of deposit. If the account belongs to some other office, you have a limitation. You can accept deposit only up to rupees 50,000, not more than that. Let me repeat. If the account belongs to your SOL ID, you can accept deposit for any amount. If the account stands in any other post office, you can accept deposit only up to 50,000. And also note, if you are accepting deposit for more than 50,000, you have to write the PAN number on the account opening form. You have to get it filled by the customer. Enter the amount in amount field. Also have an eye over this transaction particular field, whether you are accepting deposit or making withdrawal. After entering the amount in amount field, click validate. This is an optional process. Either you can validate or go for posting directly. Click validate. There is no error. Click post. The transaction is posted and the transaction ID is generated. Write down the transaction ID on top right side of the application of the pay slip. Now log on to Finacle with supervisor credentials to verify the transaction. The menu to verify the transaction is the same, CTM. Enter CTM and click Go. Choose Verify from the function. Enter the transaction ID written on top of the pay slip. Click Go. Click Go. Now the supervisor has to carefully check the account number, name of the customer and transaction particulars, whether it is deposit or withdrawal, and the amount as well. After checking these data, supervisor can give submit. Now it is getting processed. The transaction is verified successfully. This is how we accept deposit in a POSB account and verify it using supervisor ID.